So what do you guys think? Do you think the GameStop downtrend is over? Do you think the market is about to break out in GameStop? Let's get into it. Because you guys can already see I did a price prediction in GameStop back here on August the 19th, 2023. And I was looking for the price to go down. And look at that. Isn't this amazing that we timed the bottom in the market in GameStop? And they tell you that you cannot do this. I have plenty of examples on this channel alone substantiating that you can. And here's another prime example that you can also time the bottom, or at least momentarily. So congratulations to those who was able to do the same thing, because that's around 10.29% move to the downside right there. All right, so let's get back into this. What do you guys think about GameStop completing its down move? Because this particular stock has been trending down ever since June 13th, 2023. Bottom came into the market so far August the 24th, 2023, so a couple of months. Now, first thing we're going to do is you can see that price in GameStop is trading outside of our downtrend line, or maybe our downtrend line is not right. Maybe got it positioned in the wrong area. Look at this. Could this be the actual downtrend in GameStop? See that? Just simple. This is not a hard game. You can also do the same thing, because this downtrend is actually logical too. And look at how many times price in GameStop has hit this downtrend line. This first time was here, second, and now third. Okay, so don't say that you didn't know that GameStop is still in a downtrend, because I've just shown it to you. Let's look at GameStop real quick on a 2-day chart. Okay, now what do you guys think about this on a 2-day time frame? I think the market is trying to gain momentum. I think the market buyers in GameStop is trying to move this market up. But as you can tell, these 2-day price bars is telling us that they have issues. That there's still a whole lot of people in the market in GameStop that's willing to sell than they are trying to buy at these price levels right around here. We're seeing increases in selling around this area there. Okay, let's look at this on the 3-day chart. It looks decent. Like this area right here is where I can tell the market is trying to buy. Right there. Why would I say that? Because when you look at these 3-day price bars, one 3-day price bar, it goes down, and then the next one, it comes right back up, right? Same as this one. 3-day price bar went down, market came right back up. So the market here in GameStop is trying to actually move up. And another thing you can see to substantiate that is that GameStop is making higher lows in the market over the last couple 3-day bars. So we're trying to see this market in GameStop break at least outside of this downtrend line. Now, will it happen? It could be a long process, or it could be one that happens Monday or next week of trading. But it does seem as if the market in GameStop is trying to go up. Bottom has been made thus far. Not saying that it's the ultimate bottom, but it's made. Here it is on the weekly chart. Okay, so I am going to place some strength in the market for GameStop. I am going to look for the market to trend up. But as we already know, since there's sellers in this area, we're not going to be massively bullish. Like, I'm not going to give you a target of 26 bucks when I can see already over the prior weeks that there's still sellers down here around 18.50. Like, that's stupid for me to tell you that the market's going to run to 26 when I can easily tell that they're selling around 19.50. Okay, so let me see this on the hourly chart. You can see here that don't be surprised when trading starts next week if GameStop goes down. You can see it already here on these 7-hour bars, especially with this high volume down here and the market closing on the low. You might want to expect price to dip a little bit. Okay, even here on the 3-hour chart, we got that indicator weakness even triggered there. So from out the gate, I'm going to look for the market to go down in GameStop, but we may actually see it just run down to $18 or even $17.50. Okay, because this is where the sellers currently are hitting the market. These sellers right here, they're still selling in this area now. So now it wouldn't be a bad idea just to come in and chill out, let the market trade Monday, Tuesday next week to see how low the market's going to run. But we definitely don't want to see it go no lower than these trend lines here. I mean, this trend line right there. Don't want to see that happen. We don't want to see the market and GameStop do this, because then that will just confirm that this downtrend is definitely still intact. Okay, so I'm going to put this back on the daily chart, and I'm going to leave this alone so far, but I'm kind of looking forward to price going up in GameStop, so I'll go ahead and put one on, even though I'm telling you right now that be prepared for price to go down in the beginning. And if it continues to go down, then this price prediction right here that I'm putting on a chart now is not going to be right. I already know that. Okay. So, like I said, I'm going to create this trend line for GameStop, because one of these lines price is going to break. Either it's going to be this trend line, this downtrend line that we've created. Either the market's going to break out of this. Okay. Or price in GameStop is going to do this. Break down this trend line, this ascending line that it's trying to create, and ultimately come down to this area of support around 1550. Okay. So I'm going to look for price to go up. And let me get rid of this downtrend line. I want to make my chart confusing. Let me get rid of this line up here. And we're going to get rid of this line down there. Unless we see the market break this trend line, then we're bringing back down that 1550 support area. So first target for GameStop is going to be around 1934. Okay. 6.21%. I might just take it that high for GameStop. Maybe bring it down one target. First target is going to be down here at 1888. That is 3.68%. And then my second target is going to be at 1934. Those are my two targets right now. Okay. That's it. Hopefully you guys got it. If not, the comment section is open. If you guys think something differently, that's cool. Everybody has their opinions, and we'll see which one is going to be right. Give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.